Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a straightforward guide on how to transfer XDC from Kraken to KuCoin in 2025. Whether you're diversifying your crypto portfolio or just switching exchanges, this step-by-step process will make it easy and stress-free. XDC, the native token of the Fin network, is a popular choice for fast and secure transactions, but moving it between platforms requires a bit of care to avoid any hiccups. So, let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Kraken and KuCoin, and that your XDC is available in your Kraken wallet. Always double-check your balances and ensure you're on the correct network. XDC typically uses the Fin network, so select that when withdrawing. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account. Head over to the dashboard and navigate to the Withdraw section. Search for XDC in the asset list and select it. You'll need to enter the withdrawal amount. Remember to account for any network fees, which can vary based on congestion. Next, you'll have to provide the recipient address. This is crucial. Go to your KuCoin account, find your XDC wallet address under the Assets or Deposit section, and copy it carefully. Paste this address into the Kraken withdrawal form, and make sure to select the Fin network if it's an option. Double-check everything to prevent any errors. Nobody wants to send crypto to the wrong place. Once you're ready, review the details and confirm the withdrawal. Kraken will process your request, and it might take a few minutes to a couple of hours depending on network traffic. Keep an eye on your email for confirmation notifications. Now, switch over to KuCoin. Go to the Deposit section and look for any incoming transactions. Once it shows up, you're all set. Your XDC has successfully transferred. A quick word of caution. Always use two-factor authentication on both platforms to keep your assets secure, and never share your private keys. If you're new to crypto, start with a small amount to test the waters. That's it for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.